Okay, so I've got a problem with my camera right now, and I am at Angie's Cafe. This is the... Wait, let me have a look at the phone because I forgot the name. I've got the Melanie over here, and then this is a passion fruit and pineapple fizz, hot chocolate with marshmallow. And then this one is... let me have a look. I forgot. Bee Barista. Yes, very unique. Okay, so I am at a new place in Hong Kong, MK, and it's called Gu-en. And this is the honey and curry fried chicken. At the moment, my camera is acting up because it's all pink right now. So I'm sorry for the connection, and this is my first time. So wait about 40 minutes for a space. And this is the chicken. So this is actually 100 and something. It's quite big actually. And then second dish of chicken is with tteokbokki with boneless chicken, and someone just dropped the thing which is really noisy. So this is sesame boneless chicken with tteokbokki in a sweetish soya sauce. So right now it is pink vision still. It always does this when it starts up a video, and then eventually it goes away. So at the moment I'm playing League of Legends ARAM because it's just ARAM, and yeah. So as you can see, this is my room, my accommodation, and this is me loading. So I am actually Caitlin, so I like actually being a range and also ADCs, so it helps. And then I think our team is quite good. Their team is actually not bad too. Their team is quite tanky. Yeah, so they only have one ADC. We have APs, quite a lot of AP. So we have a not bad team as well, and so do they. Let's just see who's the better player as team-wise. But yeah, this is me loading right now, and then some people playing on a potato. Okay, so today I am having dinner at IKEA, and I'm gonna try out two new things. Obviously you need to get IKEA meatballs and a shrimp cornflake. This is an almond cake which I'm trying, and also this is the steak, so I'm trying out this. And this is my dinner for tonight.